All right, y'all, coming to y'all with a quick and easy recipe. We're doing chicken cheesesteak egg rolls. As you can see, I bought store-bought peppers and onions because I was being lazy. But we're going to season that thin sliced chicken breast with the seasons that I showed at the beginning. And then once the chicken is done, we're going to chop it. You can chop it beforehand. I just like to chop my chicken afterwards. So whatever your choice is, and you don't have to use the same veggies, make it your own. You don't even have to use the same cheese. Make it your own. I chose to use mozzarella. You can use provolone, American cheese, whatever floats your boat. And make sure you chop your chicken up really, really good. I didn't show y'all the full chop. Kind of cut it short because I didn't want to make this video long because it's a really short, easy recipe. And like I said, you definitely can make it your own. This is just how I do mine. I enjoy chicken cheesesteaks. So yeah, I figure why not throw it in an egg roll. And get fancy, y'all. Add whatever you like to it. All right, so this is the chicken after it's chopped. Chop it up, add those veggies, your peppers and onions or whatever you're gonna throw inside. These are my egg roll wrappers. I double my wrappers because I tend to overstuff and I don't like I didn't want them to rip, so I doubled my wrappers. Just my preference. You can use a single wrapper. We're gonna put our chicken inside. We're gonna top it with our cheese. You can also mix your cheese and chicken and everything all together and then put it in your wrapper. This is just the way I do it, my preference. Yeah. Right here, I'm putting on my mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to wrap this bad boy up. Now, don't laugh at me, y'all. This is not the perfect wrap, okay? This is not the perfect wrap at all. But nonetheless, it got wrapped. And they were bomb. Use water to seal the edges. You can also use egg. I've used egg plenty of times, and today I was just like, you know what, I'm being lazy, so water it is. But water works just as fine. It's just really your preference, honestly. While you're wrapping, you might want to put your grease on and get it hot so you can fry up your egg rolls. You can also do them in the air fryer. I've done them in the air fryer once before as well. I just coated the outside with like the cooking spray before I put them inside the air fryer so you get that nice golden brown color. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm doing this voiceover early in the morning, okay? My voice sounds like crap. Sorry, y'all, I'm sorry. All right, sealing that bad boy up real good, real good. I think I made about 5. They were thin, 5 of those thin little chicken breasts in the pack, but I definitely had way more meat left over. I just didn't feel like making any more. And I knew I was going to be the only one to eat them today, so I didn't make a lot. All right, y'all, finished product. I dipped mine in some spicy ranch. I really wanted to do spicy mayo. I'll probably do that the next time, but they were really good in the ranch as well. So you can mix whatever kind of sauce you want or use whatever kind of sauce you like to dip yours in. And yeah, this is our finished product. Cheesesteak egg rolls, chicken cheesesteak.